Good morning students, Sairam. Welcome back to the computer session. In our previous session, we have studied about Windows 7. So, in that file and folder, the file is a collection of data or information, almost all information stored in a file, and the folder is to store different files on your hard disk, and the file's extension is of 3 characters, right. So, a file extension is a set of characters. So, in that session we will be studying how to view the files, finding a file or folder, and working with control panel, and about fonts. Okay. Now, how to view the file? Okay. So, Windows provide you to many ways to arrange and identify your files while you are viewing them. The information can be viewed in different modes by clicking on more options drop down arrow located on the toolbar. Okay. You can see here 8 different views are available to view files and folders, including extra large, medium, small, list, details, tiles and contents. Okay, we will learn now one by one. So, can you see the left pane and right pane? In the left pane you can see all the folders, right. Okay. Now, here can you see the 8 different views are there, okay, which are they? Large icon, medium icon, small icon, list, details and tiles. So, we can view our files using this different view. So, in that the first small icon view and the medium icon view. Okay, the small icon view displays your files and folders as icons without a preview of its. Yes, can you see here now? See, in the folder, these are the folders. Okay, I will select one folder. Okay, one folder, so that we can view the file with the help of. Okay, here folders and files are there. So, I will select. Okay, fine. Now, can you see a small icon view? Yes, it displays your files, folders as icons without a preview of its. The file name is displayed next to the icon. See there, one icon folder is there, then file name is there, right. So, this is a small icon view. It is known as small icon and the name of the file. Okay. Now, go to the medium icon view. In that medium icon view, you can see the size of the folders are little bit big, right, bigger than small icon view. Okay. You can see there little bit here a detail, and now the next tiles view and list view. Tiles view and list view, it displays tiles view displays file and folder. See tiles view, okay, tiles view, you see that files and folder as medium sized icon, okay, and it is written there file folder. See that file, it is file folder, folder is written there file folder, right. It displays the basic information of the file. See, you can see the file down, see that, yes, application doc, it is given there 10.7 KB, it is data is there, it's yes near about 10.7 KB, and see there 312, that access file 312 KB. So, it is giving as a what size and its types. Can you see there? Yes, in the file or in the all file you can see the how much data is there in that particular file. It is showing in tiles view. Now, next one is list view. The list view you can see as many as folders and files. See, in one page you can see the icon, folder and file name, and at a time you can see all the files, okay, in folders. Okay, in folders you can, yes. Now, next, yes, now can you see the next one now, details view and large and extra large icons. Now, go back to the details view, click on there and the details. See there, in the details view provide detailed information about your files, including type, name of the file, then date modified, and the type of the file. You can see the first one is a file folder. After that docx file is there. See, all Microsoft Office file, everything it will share, name of the file also and type also and the size and the date. See, you see the when you are modified that particular, see the database 13, it is modified in when 2014. See, like this it is giving. Suppose if today you have changed that particular file, you have done some modification in that file, so it will come today's date and it will show you the time also. In the details view, it will show you date and time, and you can see which type of file it is. If it is a Microsoft Office, you can see the Microsoft Office. If it is a PDF, then it will show you a PDF file. It is showing all the details of the file. Okay, children, understood? Now these are the different one. Now we will go back to the extra large and large icons. Okay, so extra large and displays the large, see, you can see icons. Okay, with the help of this you can see the big icons. You can see in the scanned documents some pictures are there, it is visible, right? So same thing, extra large icons may you can see there all details. If it is a image file, in list view and title view, tiles view you cannot see, but in the extra large icon may you can see that images also. Okay, so can you see here there are the different views in, yes, you can see the file view, the file and different view. Now content view, right? Okay, the one is content view that displays each file in a separate row, okay, along with the detailed information. Now we will find file or folder with the help of search box located at the bottom of the left pane. So here can you see here in the search box, okay, in the list. Okay, now in the search box we are searching the file. Okay, you can search the file, type either a complete name or you can write only a word or phrase that is present in the file. Suppose I have written star.doc, that means star may, yes, I have given a star icons. Okay, star icons, it will show you all the documents file in your, yes, I have selected, oh yes, okay, now see star.doc. Okay, can you see there up, start menu up, you can see there, oh yes, all the document file, that is document file. Star.documents means what? Star.doc means all the extension is doc. Suppose I have written star.ppt, star means all the files, while extension is ppt. See, all the ppt files are there up. Can you see, children? Yes, okay, you can see that, yes, all the files. Now suppose you want to search one more file, okay, ppt file, star.ppt, star means all the files, the extension is ppt, the dot should be there. Yesterday we have learned file extension, right? See, now the file extension is very important now, right? Okay, now finding a files, here you can use two wildcard characters is a symbol, that is a symbol that is known as wildcard characters. Okay, so that is, one is asterisk and one is question mark. Okay, one is asterisk. Now we have, just now we have learned asterisk dot doc means all the files, okay, whatever files, but the extension should be doc file or ppt file. Okay, so here one more is there, question mark. You can see the question mark. There is also a wildcard characters, means any one character in its place. Okay, suppose sometimes you forgot your file name, okay, but you know you have saved the file in PowerPoint, so you can find the file star.ppt. Now same thing here, I am giving star.mdb. mdb means what? That is access file. Okay, that is what? Access file. All right, mdb file, it will show you all the files if it is there in your, yes. Now see star.html, can you see the html file? All it is, see there, it is html file. So all Internet Explorer, right? Oh yes, it is opened in Internet Explorer, so it is, yes, so that is HTML for. So give the star, then dot, then HTML, that is file extension. The file extension is always 3 characters, right? Okay, so now here asterisk, now Control panel. Control panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system setting. It consists of a set of applets, that is application. It includes adding or removing hardware and software and controlling user accounts and changing the accessibility options and accessing network settings. And again in here additional applets are provided by third parties, that is such as audio and video drivers and extra input devices and networking tools. Okay, because the control panel has so many tools, so Microsoft added a search box to make it easy for you to find the tools. So now we will start the control panel. Okay, how to start the control panel? Now let us see. So here in the start you can see a control panel and open the control panel. So you can see all the software programs are there. So right, can you see one by one all the full of programs here, fonts, display, right. So desktop gadgets here, and can you see here one by one all the softwares, a date and time, each and every programs are there, software programs are there in the, yes, in the first session we have learned software and its types in the operating system. See now you can see even speech recognition, can you see in the left hand side, yes, window firewall, everything it is there, backup and restore, every software file is there in the control panel, right. Okay, now control panel is a system folder using which you can make a changes and appearance and current settings of window. So the first appearance and current settings. So here control panel is defined as a component present in all Microsoft Windows version. It delivers the ability to change and view the system settings. You can display, you can change the display, right. So in click start and click control panel and click display. Have you seen the click display folder was there? So click display, that you can change the appearance, brightness, screen resolution, you can change it. Now next one, hardware and software set of configurations. So hardware configuration refers to the system resources setting that are assigned to specific devices. Okay, like main memory, floppy drive, hard disk, right, a modem, CD-ROM drive, okay, VGA monitor, okay, and the Windows operating system. Okay. Now the next one, system security. System security includes the development and implementation of security. These include firewall, data encryption, passwords and biometrics. A firewall consists of software and hardware set up between internal computers, that is known as intranetwork. Okay, that is known as intranetwork. So now next, the networking and internet. So control panel contains all the tools, okay, all the tools that you will use to check the status of the network, change settings, set preference, okay, sharing files and computers and each and everything. The user accounts, now user accounts and family category is the what? That fifth one is a control panel, that is a contains all the tools that you will see and change it. Yes, that is you can change a user account settings and password, okay, and you can manage the activity. Then last one is setting clock languages, right. You can category, that is that category is the last the category. So you can change, contains all the tools that you will use to change date and time. Okay, date and time. Can you see here in the control panel many folders are there? Yes, now we'll next about font. So you know all of you the font, what is the use of that font? The font is used for a what? Giving the with the help of font you are decorating the text, right. The characters used in typing the text that use that same design are called font. Okay, the font setting is used for what? Change the display. So here the font, can you see the font folder? Yes, the font folder, can you see here all the languages, see you can see all the languages fonts are there, right. Not only Hindi, Marathi, English, you can see all the languages. Okay, you can set here appearance, okay, toolbars you can set. Yes, here, okay, see here, adjust resolutions, adjust control panel, right, medium screen resolutions, right. Okay, now in the font one you can, here you are not getting the font now, right, here it is there in the left hand side. Okay, or say if you are not getting the file, what you will do, just you will write the character, see I write and FO, you will get the font here. See here you can see change the font settings, show and hide fonts, change font settings, and the view installed fonts. Can you click on that view installed font? Is already installed in your computer, right, fonts, all the type of fonts. And yes, now here you can add the different language. With the help of this language you can add into your computer, and you can use the keyboard layout, Hindi, Marathi. See, I have added here Hindi, Marathi, so that when I start a Hindi, then I can take a Hindi layout, so that you can add. Okay. Yes, children, in this session we have learned files or folders, right, files, okay, files and folders, finding a file, how to find the file, and working with control, and about fonts also. Sai Ram.